Welcome to YouTube channel. Select Lifestyle. In today's video, we will help you to select sweet dish on this Eid. Eid, the festive occasion marking the end of Ramadan, is a time of joy, celebration, and togetherness for Muslims around the world. Central to this celebration is the tradition of enjoying sumptuous meals, with an array of delectable sweets taking center stage. From traditional delights steeped in history to modern interpretations infused with innovation, the sweet dish selection on Eid is a culinary journey that delights the senses and brings families together in shared indulgence. In this exploration, we delve into the rich tapestry of sweet dishes enjoyed during Eid, highlighting their cultural significance, ingredients, preparation methods, and the joy they bring to the festivities. Sweet dishes hold a profound cultural significance during Eid, symbolizing the sweetness of life, the blessings of Allah, and the joy of togetherness. Across different regions and communities, these sweet treats serve as symbols of hospitality, generosity, and celebration. From the iconic Turkish baklava to the fragrant Indian gulab jamun, each sweet dish carries with it a story of tradition, heritage, and culinary craftsmanship. Traditional sweet dishes. B. Gulab jamun, a quintessential Indian sweet. Gulab jamun consists of deep-fried dough balls made from milk solids, soaked in a sugary syrup flavored with cardamom, rose water, and saffron. Its melt-in-the-mouth texture and aromatic syrup make it a beloved dessert during Eid festivities in South Asian households. C. Mamul, hailing from the Levant region. Mamul is a stuffed pastry cookie filled with dates, nuts, or sweetened semolina. Traditionally prepared during Eid al-Fitr, these intricately shaped treats are imbued with the essence of family gatherings and religious traditions. D. Basbousa, a popular dessert in the Arab world. Basbousa is a semolina cake sweetened with syrup or honey, often flavored with coconut or rose water. Its dense yet moist texture and fragrant syrup make it a delightful addition to Eid dessert tables, symbolizing the sweetness of communal bonds and festive cheer. Modern interpretations and innovations. While traditional sweet dishes hold a special place in Eid festivities, modern interpretations and innovations have also found their way onto dessert tables, reflecting evolving tastes and culinary trends. From fusion desserts, blending diverse cultural influences to healthier alternatives, catering to dietary preferences, these contemporary sweet treats add a refreshing twist to Eid celebrations. A contemporary twist on the classic baklava. Nutella baklava combines the flaky layers of phyllo dough with the creamy richness of Nutella spread, creating a decadent fusion of flavors that appeals to modern palates. Baked gulab jamun cheesecake, fusing the creamy indulgence of cheesecake with the traditional flavors of gulab jamun, this innovative dessert features a luscious lay, regional variations and unique delicacies. Beyond the well-known sweet dishes enjoyed worldwide, Eid celebrations also showcase a diverse array of regional variations and unique delicacies, each reflecting the culinary heritage of its origin. From the syrup-soaked pastries of the Maghreb to the fragrant rice puddings of South Asia, these regional specialties add a colorful dimension to Eid dessert tables, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the rich tapestry of Muslim cuisines. In Morocco, for example, Eid is celebrated with a variety of sweet treats such as sellou, a nutty confection made from toasted flour, almonds, and honey, and chebekia, intricately shaped fried pastries coated in honey and sesame seeds. In essence, the diverse and delightful array of sweet dishes enjoyed during Eid embodies not only the richness of Muslim culinary traditions, but also the spirit of joy, togetherness, and celebration that defines this auspicious occasion. Like, share, and subscribe Select Lifestyle for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.